When I dance with you, it's like we're in heaven. Oops, sorry.
That's okay, honey. Yeah, we must be. I've got an angel in my arms.
Oh, Fred.
Dabba, dabba, doo.
Yabba dabba 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 doo.
Well, you better slow down, Fred. I hear they've been giving out a lot of speeding tickets on this road.
Relax, Bun. The cop on his feet is an old army buddy of mine.
Boy, are you gonna get it. So, it's a living.
Well, you and your army buddy are going to have a lot to talk about. Here he comes.
Hi, Alex. Long time no see.
Name's not Alex, mister. It's Belinda. Now let's see your driver's license.
Yes, ma'am. What's this world coming to, Bun? When the police department starts hiring lady cops.
Well, women are into everything nowadays, Fred. Nothing's sacred anymore.
Yeah, well, I'm just thankful Wilma and Betty enjoy being housewives.
Yeah, amen to that, Fred.
Hey, the Flintstones, brand new Flintstones, full of lots of fun and mystery. Flintstones, all new Flintstones, with their special kind of comedy. Hey there, it's the same old gang you know. Now they're in a brand new kind of show. Have a yabba dabba do time, just for you time. We'll have